Salem Sports events began in the mid-'80s. Today, we work predominantly in the special event space where we design, build, and deliver custom branded experiences at some of the most iconic live events in the world. At venues ranging from the PGA Tour to F1 racing, we take blank canvases inside temporary structures and transform them into custom interior spaces. This begins with our design team, using the latest technology to create lifelike renders of each project. Next, our skilled manufacturing team brings the 3D design to life using steel, aluminum, wood, digital graphics, or a combination of them all. As we have grown, our culture continues to focus on innovation, collaboration, and a solution-oriented mentality. The magic is our unwavering commitment to the details. The most important detail for our continued success is our employees.
As a new interior designer, we are breaking down the barriers of what people believe is possible in a temporary environment.
I love working on a new project and seeing it come to life at different events. Everyone is on the same page.
The entire team has a solution-oriented mentality. We always have each other's back and work together to get things done. We really care about the details for our clients.
Our events take place in a lot of cool places, not only across the U.S., but the world. We're going to give you the tools that you need, along with the training and constant mentorship to set you up for success.
There's opportunities, not just in growing in the vertical that you come into, but also in the adjacent functions that are going to be in any company.
There are so many key players here that have so much pride in what they do. That is the key ingredient here.
We're a small company, but growing rapidly. We've already doubled our business, and we're looking to go double again.
What's so exciting as an employee today is that there's so much untapped potential in the special events marketplace. Salem Sports is uniquely positioned to take advantage of this.
We don't take ourselves too seriously. There is a real fun aspect to working here, and at the end of the day, we all have each other's back. We think the future looks really bright, and there is a lot of opportunity in the marketplace. It's a really exciting time and a great place to work for people that are looking for opportunity, career pathing, and mentorship. There's a real family feel to what we do, and I think that is a lot of the magic that our clients experience.